Here we are. We're at Nino's in Delray Beach at 13,900 South Jog Road. Very nice guys in there. Been here a long time. Let's give it a shot here. Looks really good. Smells good. Nice on the bottom. No flop. Look at that. No flop at all. Nice. Smells really good. I don't want to burn my mouth. Excellent. Excellent. Very New York. Almost identical to a New York slice. Not too much grease. Really, really good. Crunchy. Excellent, excellent slice of pizza. I'm going to give them an 8.6. 8.6. Nino's, 13,900 South Jog Road, Delray Beach, Florida. That's my score.